If you want to unlink a focus mode from the lock screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now, to unlink a focus mode from a lock screen, first of all, just go to the lock screen or just open the notifications panel. Now from here, just tap and hold on the empty space on the notification panel. Now just swipe to the right or to the left side and select the lock screen wallpaper which has a specific focus mode. For an example, this is a lock screen wallpaper and it has a specific focus mode which is the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to unlink it, just tap on Do Not Disturb. Now if Do Not Disturb mode or any other focus mode has been selected, just tap on it and unselect it. Then tap on the X icon to save the changes, and once the lock screen wallpaper just says focus on it, you will unlink that specific focus mode from your lock screen. Just like that. And this is how you can unlink a focus mode on the lock screen of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.